Welcome to Dumpster Solutions NW, your premier choice for dumpster rental in Auburn, Washington. At Dumpster Solutions NW, we provide reliable and affordable dumpster rental services tailored to meet the needs of both residential and commercial projects. No matter the size of your cleanup, we have the perfect solution for you. From small home renovations to large construction sites, our dumpsters are designed to handle all types of debris. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. We're committed to providing timely and efficient service, ensuring your dumpster arrives on time and is picked up promptly once you're done. Our hassle-free process is designed to save you time and effort. Dumpster Solutions NW is also dedicated to environmental stewardship. We strive to minimize waste and promote recycling, helping you dispose of your materials in an environmentally friendly manner. Our experienced team at Dumpster Solutions NW is here to help you choose the right dumpster and ensure a smooth rental experience from start to finish. With easy online booking at www.dumpstersolutionsnw.com, Dumpster Rental Auburn WA, or call 206-255-0095, you can schedule your dumpster delivery and pickup with just a few clicks. Dumpster Solutions NW, simplifying your waste management needs.